Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need iOS 16 or later and Face ID active. Once confirmed, make sure battery is sufficiently charged. Open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness to start. You'll see options that control screen timeout and appearance. These matter for always-on behavior. Tap the always-on toggle if visible. If not, don't stop. Proceed to lock screen customization. This first step puts you where system settings manage ambient display, so you can enable persistent glanceable info without installing apps. Once done in display settings, go into lock screen and tap Customize to tailor what shows when the screen dims. Choose clock style and widgets that remain readable in low power mode, because simpler graphics use less energy. Make sure notifications are configured to appear as compact banners or hidden, depending on privacy. Also check Reduce Motion and Dim Lock screen options. If dimming is too aggressive, adjust them so always-on content stays visible, yet battery-friendly. After customization, enable always-on in display and brightness and lock your iPhone to verify behavior. You should see a simplified lock screen that stays faintly lit. Test by waiting 30 to 60 seconds to confirm persistent info. If the option is missing or not working, restart the phone and ensure you're on the latest iOS, because features can be firmware dependent. If problems persist, reset display settings or contact Apple support. Often a software update.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.